Hi, this is the Motorola Edge 40 Neo and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here on the lock screen, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we could see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device without any problems, just in 1 second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method, so you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.